What's up guys, it is Chames Eats and I'm back with another video. Now this video is from a request that has been sent through and it has been on my list, and today is the day that I'm making this recipe. And if you like your seafood, then check out my creamy seafood chowder with those fresh prawns, New Zealand green lip mussels and those nice chunky pieces of fish. This dish is too delish to miss, so make sure to stick around right here on Chames Eats. Simple ingredients, so easy to make, yet packed full of flavor. Coming right up. Before we get into this video, make sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also head over to my Chames Eats Facebook page and my Instagram, where I actively upload new posts. Now you'll also see those details down below. Alright, so for my seafood chowder recipe, so I've got some thyme and a couple of dry bay leaves here. I've got some garlic that I've diced, got a white onion here, got some carrot and celery, and I've also got some shortcut bacon, about a couple 100 grams I've just diced up. Now for my seafood, I'm using some New Zealand green lip mussels. I've just cleaned them a bit and also just removed the beards from them. I've got some surimi here. Now it is an option, you don't have to add this in, but I just like the texture of this surimi inside my seafood chowder. I've got some nice deveined fresh prawns, and then I've got some fillet of fish that I've just cut up into nice chunks here. Now we're going to go straight in and add some oil into our pot, and we're going to add our bacon pieces. I've just added in our white onion, and we're just going to cook that away just until the onion starts to sweat a little. Well, that's smelling pretty good. Even just the smell of that bacon and onion together always smells good. All right, so we're gonna now add in our chopped celery and our carrot. Okay, give that about 3 to 4 minutes to cook away. Okay, in goes our thyme and our dry bay leaf. I've got a couple of tablespoons of just some plain flour. I'm just going to add that in, and we're just going to stir that in. Okay, so I'm going to add in a splash of some white wine, some dry wine. This is going to help deglaze our mixture here. It's also going to bring out all that flavor that's stuck at the bottom of our pot. So now we want to add in some stock. So for my recipe, I'm using some Maggi Seafood Soup Mix. Now you can get this from an IGA here in Brisbane. Sometimes you can get it at the international section in Woolies or Cloves. If you can't get it, you can use fish stock, chicken stock, even vegetable stock. So you want to add in at least about 1 litre of stock to our pot here. Okay, I'm also going to add in some fresh cream. It's also going to act like a thickening agent. So we're going to let our seafood chowder come up to the boil before adding in our seafood. I'm just going to season our chowder with a bit of salt, and I'm going to add in some cracked pepper. Now that chowder's looking like a pretty good consistency, and it's slowly starting to come up to the boil, so we now can add in our seafood to this chowder. Oh man, that smells pretty delicious. Alright guys, let's add in our mussels. In goes our prawns, guys. Now to cook our seafood, it's only going to take a couple of minutes. You don't want to leave your seafood in there too long or cook for too long, become overcooked. So to really bring out this dish, I'm going to add in some fresh herbs. So I've got here some continental parsley that I'm just going to roughly chop up, as well as some nice fresh dill that I've got. Add in our parsley. Then we want to add in our dill and give that a good mix through. Oh guys, that is looking pretty delish. I'm also going to add in some zest from a lemon. This is just going to give a slight citrus flavour to our seafood chowder. That is it guys, our seafood chowder is done. It's time to plate this up. Oh man, this smells pretty good. Look at that chowder. Nice creamy sauce. Those nice king prawns there. Nice fish. And there you have it guys, Chames Eats creamy seafood chowder with crusty bread. Now that looks delish. Alright guys, it is time to try out the seafood chowder. It looks and smells delish. Let's go. Wow. That is a good chowder. That prawn, nicely cooked, not overcooked at all. That nice, rich, creamy chowder in my mouth really has that nice citrus taste from that zest, those fresh herbs, and you can just taste a hint of that white wine. And then I've got some crusty bread here. Always got to have a good chowder with some nice crusty bread. And let me tell you, oh, it's absolutely delish. Oh, so good. Check out all the ingredients I've listed in the description below, and don't forget to check out my channel for many other recipes that I've uploaded. If you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you for clicking on to my video. Well, that's another video here guys. That is all here on Chames Eats.